Welcome to this visual backflush demo. Once you log into the system, you will see the main screen. Let's go through options. In options, you can specify if you want to see the grid, if you want to issue consumables, issue negative, and show the grid for the parts being issued. Location order. First backflush by backflush location. Second, primary location. If no backflush is found, it will use primary. Work order start date. You can specify what date to start the work orders at. For example, if you have a large database, you can set your start date to 6 months, a year, so the load process is a lot faster. And then the site ID that is used for sites that are using Visual 712 and above. Show grid. You can uncheck that, and when you click OK, the grid is gone. And then you can resize your screen. You can turn it back on. And then resize your screen. Let's start by picking a work order. It will tell you the work order description, the quantity required that is left, the amount to issue, or receipt, sorry, and the warehouse that you want to receive this product to. Click Run. And if the part being issued is traceable, then it will require you to enter the quantities for the trace. And you're complete. If the part was, the assembly that you're receiving was traceable, then it would request a trace for the receipt. That concludes our backflush demo. Thank you.